I don't know why y'all won't listen to me, but if you want to stay shredded and travel, just stop drinking your fucking calories. That's the only thing I'm going to ask you to do. Listen to this. When you go and get coffee, get it black with sugar-free pumps of whatever, and that's what sweetens it. It's going to taste weird, but your body's going to get normal to it after 27 days because it takes 27 days to break a habit. And then when you're going to drink your normal drink after 27 days, you're going to be like, oh, this is so sweet. People don't have a caffeine addiction. They have a fucking sugar addiction. And once you control your sugar intake, you don't bloat as much, and you don't have fat sitting in your fucking stomach. And then also, when you consume enough protein, your body starts metabolizing things so much faster. The more protein, the more muscle mass you have, the faster your metabolism is. So just consume a lot of protein. Don't drink your calories. Also, sauces have a lot of calories. So don't be a saucy person. I usually, if I eat my fries, I don't have ranch. Or if I have salad, then I'm going to have my salad dressing. It's just balance. And if I want a coffee, I'm going to do a black coffee with a couple pumps of sugar-free vanilla. I haven't been home in fucking 2 weeks. It's about what you drink, not about what you eat, guys. And I haven't been to the gym in fucking forever, so y'all know this. Bye!